children. I am Poonam ma'am and today we are going to learn simple past and continuous past tense for class 2. What is past tense? It is used to indicate those actions which begin in the past time and also got over in the past time. That is called simple past tense. We have few verbs which are ending with ed, that means it is past. Normal verbs we have to add ed to complete it past tense. Like we have few examples. We played football. She played football. They played football. So can you see here? We are adding ed for the play verb to complete it as a past tense. I walked to the bus stop. I listened to the radio. I finished my homework. I wanted a coffee. I worked late. Children are jumping. Jumping will be simple present continuous and they jumped. So we are adding ed for a normal verb. Children are playing and they played in the garden. So here playing we are adding ed to make it past tense. So we have few verbs which are double the letter and we will add ed to it. Like we did for consonant, vowel, consonant. For example, knit will become knitting, knitting will become knitted. Pat, patting, patted. Clap, clapping, clapped. Hop, hopping, hopped. Nod, nodding, nodded. Skip, skipping, skipped. So all these verbs, it is consonant, vowel, consonant. That's why we are adding double T to it. Can you see here? The boy is dropping the ice cream and he dropped it. So we are adding ed. The girl is chopping and she chopped the vegetables. There are few verbs, children, which can be past tense only just removing one vowel and adding the another vowel. For example, is will become was, are will become were, begin will become began, blow will become blew, and break will become broke. Here, kids are flying the kite and they flew it. So, flying has become a present tense and flew is a past tense. Here we never say flied or flewed. No, it is always flew it. Like some are present tense, past tense in this form also. Like build will become built. Buy will become bought. Catch will become caught. Come will become came. And cut will remain always cut. So few things you always have to remember. The girl is buying flowers and she bought it. So buying has become bought. Children fell and cried in the garden. Bought fruits and washed them and chopped it and ate it all. So can you see here, children, so many examples of past tense. Fall has become fell. Buy has become bought. And wash has become washed. Chop has become chopped. And eat has become ate. So children, today we learned so many different past tense. Till then, take care. See you next time. Thank you.